All right, we're doing 1.8, simplifying expressions. Now remember, expressions is a word that we use to explain number sentences that do not contain an equal sign. So there's no equal sign in expressions. So let's build our vocabulary. It says in the expression 5x plus 9y, 5x and 9y are called terms. And you're going to hear me use this word a lot, terms. So 5x is a term and 9y is a term. They are called unlike terms, unlike, because the variables are not alike. Now, because x and y aren't the same letter, they're unlike terms. In the expression 11a minus 6a plus 3, the terms 11a and 6a are called like terms because they have the same variable. So 11a has an a, 6a has an a. The only thing that's different is their coefficient, and I want you to add this to this. Coefficient. Now, what do I mean by coefficient? Coefficient is the number in front of the variable. So we're going to write that. Number in front of the variable. So in the term 5x, 5 is the coefficient. We'll just write coef. And x is the variable. And 5x is the term. So we're just kind of labeling our term here. We got our coefficient is our front number, the 5. Our variable is the x, and the whole thing, 5x, is called our term. Now again, we're really focusing on unlike terms, like 5x and 9y, and like terms like 11a and 6a. Okay, next part, we're identifying like terms. It says determine if each expression has like terms. If so, state them. So we have 4y minus 2y, and we put here yes. Yes, because they have like terms. The terms 4y and 2y are like terms. Are like terms. 5b and 6d. No, those are not like terms. The terms 5b and 6d are unlike. Why is that? It's because they have the same, or excuse me, because they have different what? Coefficients? No, all the coefficients are different. Different variables. It says 4RT plus 3ST plus 7RT. Does this expression have like terms? Yes. But are all of them like terms? No. Only 4RT and 7RT are like terms. So 4RT and 7RT are like terms. This one here, does this have like terms? Yes, it does. What are the like terms? Even though all of these have v's, here we have 2v squared, we have 3v, and we have minus v squared. 2v squared and 3v are not like terms. Why? Because 3v does not have that little exponent of a 2 right there. They have to be exactly the same. The variable and the exponent have to be exactly the same. The only thing that can be different, again, is that coefficient. In this case, it's 2, 3, and a 1. Because right here, there's an invisible 1 for 1v squared. But there is like terms, and the like terms are 2v squared and v squared. Again, with this v squared, it's just like saying 1v squared. It's the same thing. V squared and 1v squared, same thing. So let's move on. So determine if each expression has like terms. If so, state them. So I want you to list them out here or say no, there's no like terms. Go ahead and try and check your answer. Okay, so here's the answers for the your turn. For A, there's no like terms. For B, there's 12x and 3x. For C, I just want to talk about this really quick because I didn't mention it before. Notice here there is like terms. 4D is not one of them, but 5CD is. And also notice I put 11, negative 11CD. Why did I put negative? Well, because if we were to box this term out, you have to take into consideration the sign that's before it. So we have 11CD, and we have to take into consideration this sign that's before it, which makes this actually 11 or negative 11CD. So same thing for D. I took into consideration the sign before my 18 squared, which is a subtraction sign. So that makes this a negative 18a squared. And I also have a positive 9a squared. And this will make more sense why we do that in the next couple of pages. But if we go back and look over here, we actually see that this here, and we should add it, is a negative v squared, or a negative 1v squared. So, and this is a negative 2y. Even though our variable is y and it's still like terms, we do want to take into consideration, like I said, that negative sign in front of the term. Okay, so I am going to stop here and do another video, so make sure you watch the video right after this one, video number 2.